It's pumpkin spice season, but forget the latte. Instead, enjoy a pumpkin pie martini. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're making a pumpkin pie martini. Let's get started. I have here some stuff. First thing we want to do is we want to prepare our glass. So here I have a mixture on this little plate of 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And I just mix it up and spread it out here. So all we're going to do, we're going to take a little wedge of lemon and we're just going to rim the glass to moisten it. Pretty simple. And we're just going to dip it right in. There we go. And there you have it. A lovely little rimmed glass. All right, let's build our martini. We're going to start with whipped cream vodka. This is the kind I like. We have 4 ounces, 120 mils. Right in our glass here. Next is half and half. 1.5 ounces, 45 mils. Right in. Next up is maple syrup. And I want you to use real pure maple syrup. Don't use pancake syrup, use the real stuff. We just need 1 ounce or 30 mils. Finally, the pumpkin. Now, I'm using, and you should too, real pumpkin puree, the 100% pure pumpkin. Don't use the pumpkin pie mix or filling because that already has spices and things in it, and that's not what we want. We want plain pumpkin. Now, if you look here, you can see that we've already done some testing of this recipe to make sure that it's good for you. So I'm going to do 3 generous tablespoons. Right in. Doesn't have to be an exact tablespoon, they can be generous. All right, you know what's next. The shaky. Here we go. All right, I shook that a little longer because I wanted that pumpkin puree to really mix through. Now let's see if I can get this off of here. There we go. Our glass, lovely rimmed glass, and we're going to just strain it in. Now this makes 2 of these cocktails. Look at that color. That to me says fall. It says pumpkin spice season. Let's give it a little taste. That is fun. It's creamy. I totally get the pumpkin because the pumpkin pie spice and the sugar and that maple syrup just lifts the pumpkin up. The whipped cream vodka makes it a little sweet too. It's kind of nice and a full rounded drink. All right, as always, we'll see you on Tuesdays for our regular episodes, Fridays for Cocktail Friday or Basic Skills, and every other Sunday for our live streams. Now, while I go and relax and finish this, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, cheers.